In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily comment on YouTube videos. There are 3 possible reasons that you are not able to comment on YouTube videos. Let's just go ahead and go into this video right here, and I'll show you tip number 1. These same strategies apply on your mobile device. You can see right here on desktop, I have the option to comment on a video. So I could just go ahead and type in here and then make sure I hit the comment button. On your phone, it's going to look like an up arrow and a down arrow. Something like this. Up arrow and a down arrow, and it's in gray. On your mobile phone, look under these words right here, and you should be able to see those arrows on the right-hand side of your screen. Open that up and then make a comment. I'm going to insert a screenshot on screen now so that you can see exactly what this looks like on mobile device. This is for my largest channel so far, Andrea Jean Cleaning. The second reason you may not be able to comment on YouTube videos is you may be on restricted mode. So go to your avatar on the top right-hand side. Again, this is going to apply on your mobile device. Click that. If you see this question mark and this help button, you could click that and you could certainly type in your question right here, such as popular help resources, turn restricted mode on or off. You can see a lot of people are searching for that. But if you look down a little bit further, you can see right here that my restricted mode is off. You want to make sure that your restricted mode is off. You can see right here, this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this browser. And you can activate your restricted mode by toggling on to the right-hand side. Now you can see my restricted mode is on here on the bottom right-hand side. I do not want my restricted mode on, so I'm going to go ahead and toggle that back. And there you can see the restricted mode is off again. Now, one of the main reasons you may not be able to comment on YouTube videos is you do not yet have an account set up. So this video right here is going to walk you through that exactly. It's just a 2-minute video. I'm going to link it on screen now and in the description box below. It's going to show you how to set up a Gmail, Google account, and your YouTube channel account. So click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.